Gold is still moving higher, but it is moving slowly. But what we can see, 2 days ago, the price formed a bullish breakout, and the prices continue to rise in value. Yesterday, the price formed a bullish candle after the price has confirmed the bullish breakout 2 days, a day ago before that, and we can see the price has risen in value but could not reach 4188.33. But it is still on its way to reach that level. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we'll see yesterday after the price has formed this bullish breakout on the 4-hour time frame, the price was trying to move higher. We can see that, but could not manage to go above this area of resistance, which is 4164.42, which is a resistance level. The price could not manage to make a bullish breakout above that. The price has tried to move up. We can see those wicks, but the price returned back down each time, and we can see the price is holding the support 4145.86, which is also a 4-hour time frame a support level. Now, on the 1-hour time frame, yesterday we can see that this 4166.51 is the 1-hour time frame resistance level that is currently holding the price from reaching higher price levels. Yesterday we can see the price formed a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, but it was invalidated with the next bearish candle, and then the price moved down. Then the price has formed this bearish breakout below this area of support, but it was invalidated with the next bullish candle. So currently the price is in between this area of resistance and the support, and the price is bouncing, waiting for a clear breakout. Now we can see the price is currently the support and bouncing from this area of support 4145.86, and it will try to reach higher price levels, which means the next resistance level 4166.51, which is very hard to make a bullish breakout. What we can expect, I'm still expecting the price will reach 4188.33, a resistance level, and then we'll see how the price will behave around this area of resistance. It is a daily resistance. Will the price manage to make a bullish breakout, reaching again this area, which was reached in this attempt for 244.40, or will the price manage to reach even higher price levels? This is something that we need to go slowly and see how the price behaves each day. But yesterday bullish candle is just showing me that there is still bullish momentum stronger than it is a selling pressure, so I'm expecting that the price will reach higher price levels. For that, this area of resistance 4166.51 is the important resistance level that needs to be broken. Immediately when the price makes a bullish breakout above this area, it will reach a daily resistance, which is the target 4188.33. Also, if you would like if you would like to discuss these details inside the chat room, I have made a chat room available on Telegram for the traders if you would like to join and receive the updates, what I'm thinking about during the day, when the order is open, and also how to trade, what is the strategy. Feel free to check the link in the comments, then you can join the Telegram to see more details how to join the chat room. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.